Yeah, that's fine. Little elevator scap stretch.
Ooh.
I'm feeling tight up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
Alright, let's have you lay on your stomach here.
Okay.
And scoot down a little towards your feet. There we go. And take a breath in and out. And face me on your side here.
Okay. I don't think I've ever cracked when you did that, and then I cracked just now. Okay. No.
You're good.
Oh.
Face up on your back.
Okay.
Scoot down a little towards your feet. Good. Keep your feet up for me.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh.
One more.
Oh. You want me to scoot back?
Yep, you're good right there.
What do I do with my hands?
Just relax.
Okay. Oh.
One more.
Mm.
Awesome.